first one right here. Go ahead and have you take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. Let it sink all the way through. A little bit more pressure right there. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Go one more through the top here. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Out. Perfect. And here, all the way out. Perfect. Here, keep that nice tight hold. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. I'm going to bring you back around, bringing your weight this way. Go and take a nice deep breath in for me, all the way out. Keep that nice tight hold. Nice deep breath in.
Oh my gosh.